Pump up a black 160 balloon almost all the way. You'll just want to leave a one-finger tail at the end. Make a 3-finger bubble and then take the nozzle of the balloon and pull it back towards the other side of the bubble and twist it into the twist. Then tuck the nozzle of the balloon in between the bubble and the twist. That will lock it into place. Repeat these steps on the other end of the balloon. These are Jack Skellington's feet, and the rest of the balloon will be his torso and legs. Fold the balloon in half and twist at the fold. Then twist together 2 8-finger bubbles for the torso. Take one of the legs and pull it through the torso to keep it from coming undone. If you want one or both of his legs to be bent, simply fold and pinch it at the center. You can also push the torso area down to give it a more rounded look. Then put this balloon aside and move on to another black 160 balloon. Pump the second balloon up all the way. Fold the balloon in half and twist at the fold. Make a 1-finger bubble on one side and then pinch twist it by pinching the bubble, pulling it away from the rest of the balloon and twisting. Then make another 1-finger bubble on the other side of the fold and pinch twist it as well. Grab the first balloon and twist the 2 pinch twisted bubbles around the top of the torso. Then make a 5 or 6-finger loop on one side of the balloon. And make a second one the same size on the other side of the balloon. This will be the collar of Jack Skellington's suit. Bend and pinch the left side of the balloon to form the elbow, and do the same thing to the right side of the balloon. Then blow up a white 9-inch round for the head. Hold it next to the body to determine the size. If it looks a little too big, let out a little bit of air. Twist the nozzle of the balloon around the collar area. As long as you wrap it around several times, you won't have to worry about tying the balloon beforehand. Make sure one of the pinch twisted bubbles is behind the white balloon and one is in front of the white balloon. This will keep Jack Skellington's head upright. Last, draw on Jack Skellington's face using a Sharpie. Be careful not to brush up against your drawing with your hand. It can easily smear until it dries. If you'd like to make this Jack Skellington balloon, you will need a pump, 2 black 160 balloons, a white 9-inch round, and a Sharpie. If you'd like to get these items on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.